Hello my friends, so this is another video about this MHZS CD88E CD player. This is about my latest hack that I've just developed half an hour ago. This player I lent to the owner of Aeon CD2, which was with me over Christmas New Year break, and I told him, you know, since it's top loader with tubes and balanced outputs, I said, well, why don't you have it in that time, so you know, without the CD player. And when he returned it today to me, he forgot to bring in CD clamp. So before I wanted to put it away, I wanted to test it, because I don't want to have, you know, in my good CD player pile anything that doesn't work properly. So I tried different clamps. I have close to 10 different clamps. None of them would mate properly with this turntable. So I tried different things. I put some coin, started it, it sort of almost worked, and then it flew off into the case. So I had to, you know, take the covers off. And but I was determined to find a solution, if anything, temporary solution. So here it is. I placed 3 little neodymium magnets, and I bought about 25 of them, I think, for $15 at AliExpress some time ago. They're useful for all sorts of things. And as you see, it works fine. It's a bit fiddly to deploy them, but, you know, if you're stuck, you're stuck. And, you know, some name players as well have a drawer, but they use a puck which sometimes flies off inside of the player, and if you want to listen to some music, well, that's what you can do. The further improvement on that, which I'm planning to do, is to get a couple of washers the size of a turntable and with the right hole inside, which is over 1 centimeter, I think. Although, to be fair, all of those turntables have different sizes and they don't mate with any old clamp, you know, they have to be pretty much specific. So to get 2 of them and bend one washer sort of L-shape like that and the other one the other way, get them together so there is a grip of some sort, and then put the magnets on the remaining circle. So it's much easier to deploy than those ones, you know, they clamp together very well, so it's easy to take them off, as you see. And now you see they pop up there. But it's more fiddly to actually deploy them, you know, to put them back on it. Well, I hope you'll find it useful, or maybe you'll find it useful one day. To the next one. Bye-bye.